Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen T-Cross 1.0 TS i115B horsepower style in elegant white with only 7,979 kilometers on the clock. Packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, collision alert, emergency call, and more. This vehicle is not only stylish but also practical, with features like cup holders, load cover, and roof rails. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us now or visit our website at blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Don't let this opportunity pass you by.